right, guys, Andy's Randomness here. It is Friday, June 16th, 2023. It is about 27 minutes, well, let's say 26 minutes to 12 noon. And so far today, we've had a pretty active weather day. Yep, I'm currently monitoring WPVI in Philadelphia on the iPad, as we currently have a tornado warning for parts of Chester County until 11:45. Earlier, there was tornado warning in Berks County. And earlier, I was monitoring WGAL from Harrisburg, as there was a tornado warning in the State College WX designated media market of Harrisburg. So there was a tornado warning in Lancaster County, PA. And I want to mention, look what we got. We have a severe thunderstorm watch. So that explains why my CL100 and the Midland WR120 went off. Yep. So both went off. Now I gotta focus on my end of things here in the New York metropolitan region. So let's see the specifics on the SVA. Okay, here we go. Yes, Hunterdon, Monmouth, Somerset, Ocean, Middlesex. That's considered the Upton range. So I gotta boot up my computer and keep an eye on everything. Alright, we have a new tornado warning for parts of Montgo and Delaware County until 12 noon. Here's the tab right now. Right side on my computer, this is the Mount Holly tab. And here it is. IEMBot did relay it. There it is. On this side, I have Upton. So I'm currently keeping an eye on everything, guys. Time for some action.
Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Manasquan Inlet to Great Egg Inlet, New Jersey, out 20 nautical miles until 12:45 p.m. At 11:43 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Great Egg Reef, moving northeast at 15 knots. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater and large hail. Source: radar.
Oh boy.
Impact: small craft could be damaged in
Why when people are trying to enjoy the Jersey Shore?
Large hail could result in structural damage.
We definitely have activity in Delaware. Parts of Kent and Sussex until 12:30. And we got basically the populated areas of Newcastle County until 12:45.
Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central and Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, northwestern Camden County, southwestern Camden County in southern Burlington County.
KZC 31's relaying it.
Pennsylvania, Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania.
A tree hit a car that somebody was in and they died, so that's another reason why we mentioned how a vehicle is not
Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 12:45 p.m. At 11:57 a.m.
Yep, here it is.
Thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Green Lane to near Conshohocken to near Penn's Grove, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Trenton, Camden, Gloucester City, Bensalem, Ewing, Norristown, Chester, Willingboro, Phoenixville, Lansdale, West Norton, East Norton, Florence, Yevon, Burlington, Bristol, Quakertown, Percy, and Doylestown. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 4 and 5 and near exit 6A. Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 324 and 359. Northeast extension between mile markers 21 and 42. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 1 and 40. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 327 and 351. Interstate 76 in New Jersey between mile markers 2 and 3. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 37 and 50, in between mile markers 75 and 76. Interstate 676 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 1.
Here we go. New warning just got issued by Mount Holly for following areas of New Jersey, following counties: Atlantic, Cumberland, Salem, Ocean, Camden, Gloucester, Cape May, Central Burlington County till 1:30 p.m. Well, there we go. Let me try to get more of the specifics here. Yep, there we go.
Severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Ocean County.
Like 40 to 50% off classic styles from IMC.
Monmouth County, southwestern Middlesex, 9.73 Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 1:30 p.m. At 12:41 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Lawrenceville to Bordentown to near Lumberton, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Trenton, Mount Laurel, Manalapan, Ewing,
Yep, there we go.
Florence, Burlington, Bristol, Mount Holly, Jamesburg.
So Upton's relaying it.
Cranberry, Yardley,
Because Monmouth and Ocean are in this.
Roosevelt, Wrighttown, and Florence Roebling. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 4 and 9. Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 357 and 359. Interstate 195 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 23.
Currently, I have Fox Weather on since the Weather Channel is not showing this. So at the moment, they are showing the severe weather situation for the Philadelphia metropolitan region. So yeah, they're getting into it right now. Yep. So it's getting busy right now. And there's Center City, Philadelphia. Yep. 1 p.m. right now. We just got word from the National Weather Service in Mount Holly. Burlington, Ocean County, now under a tornado warning until 1:30. Oh boy, they're now saying there's a chance that this is going to go into Jackson Township, New Jersey. There's a good chance that this could also clip parts of the Garden State Parkway. And today's Friday, and people would normally be traveling to get down to the shore today. This is a big no-no right now. This is a big no-no.
Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Sandy Hook to Cape May, New Jersey, out 20 nautical miles. Outer waters from Sandy Hook to Great Egg Inlet, New Jersey, out 20 to 40 nautical miles until 3:15 p.m. At 1:13 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from 19 nautical miles southwest of Cliffwood Beach to Great Egg Inlet, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard.
Yep, the WR-120 went off too.
50 knots in large hail. Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Atlantic County. Just some people, depends on your view. Ocean County, southeastern Mercer County, northern Cape May County, eastern Burlington County, Monmouth County, south central Middlesex County, until 2:15 p.m.
Oh!
At 1:15 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located. Source, radar indicated.
Oh, that's, yeah, here we go, 2:15.
Just to show you where exactly the warnings are. The orange line is where our
Oh no!
are, where we can
Yep.
Gusting around 60 miles
Toms River, Lakewood, Manasquan, they're under this.
tornado warning itself.
Oh, yeah, it's definitely raining right now. I see here. It's been raining now for like maybe the past 10 minutes. Yeah. It's been windy all right, too. But thankfully not as severe as what happened in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. So today, Lee Goldberg has another meteorologist on the air named Danny Beckstrom. And she was on the air Wednesday afternoon when the severe thunderstorm warning was issued for Westchester. So there she is, guys. So she was talking about what happened in New Jersey today. And again, I got to give the folks over at WPVI a big kudos today. They did an excellent job covering what happened. And there is a possibility that this does make sense here. Fort Dix military base. Looks like they did get a very big mile-per-hour wind gust. Okay, everyone. Well, it's official. Just heard from Andrew Tiger Lee, and I want to thank him for telling me this, and I did my own research. Look, EFO was confirmed in Burlington County, Southampton Township, New Jersey, according to NJ.com. Friday's tornado had top winds as strong as 80 miles per hour, and, you know, it's just crazy how many tornadoes have touched on the ground in New Jersey this year.